What is Renaissance architectural style? Imagine walking through a city where every building tells a story of rebirth and innovation. This is the essence of Renaissance architecture, a style that emerged in Europe during the 14th century and continued into the 17th century. It marked a departure from the Gothic style that preceded it, reflecting a renewed interest in the classical art and architecture of ancient Greece and Rome. Renaissance architecture is characterized by its symmetry, proportion, and geometry. Architects of this period sought to create harmony in their designs, often using mathematical ratios to achieve balance. One of the most notable features is the use of columns and pilasters, which were inspired by classical orders such as Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian. These elements were not just decorative. They served to create a sense of order and elegance. Another defining aspect of Renaissance architecture is the use of domes. The dome of the Florence Cathedral, designed by Filippo Brunelleschi, is a prime example of this innovation. It not only showcases the technical advancements of the time but also symbolizes the grandeur and ambition of the Renaissance spirit. Windows in Renaissance buildings were often larger and more numerous than in previous styles, allowing for more natural light to enter. This shift was not merely aesthetic. It represented a change in how people viewed their environment and their relationship with the outside world. The use of arches and vaults also became more prevalent, contributing to the overall sense of spaciousness and lightness in the structures. In addition to residential and civic buildings, Renaissance architecture also made significant contributions to religious structures. Churches and cathedrals were designed with an emphasis on centrality and clarity, often featuring grand facades and intricate detailing. The Basilica of St. Peter in Vatican City is a monumental example of this, showcasing the grandeur and ambition of Renaissance architects. As we reflected on the Renaissance architectural style, it is clear that it was more than just a series of buildings. It represented a cultural shift, a celebration of humanism, and a desire to reconnect with the classical past. This architectural movement laid the groundwork for future styles and continues to influence architects and designers today.